So days, weeks, months, years, time slipping by, and you are still unprofitable. You have a strategy, you know the rules, but yet you are failing to make any meaningful process with that strategy. So let me show you a graph of David Dunning and Justin Cogar, how actually it works. When you first start trading, you know almost nothing about the market, but yet you have an absurd amount of confidence that you have what it takes to become a profitable trader or become a pro trader, which is professional trader. Yeah. At this stage, with just a few wins, you are at the peak of your confidence. It's like you have overconfidence. What happens here is, because you saw those early wins or early positive outcomes, you become completely risk blind because you don't understand how risk actually works in the market, and you will end up over leveraging and over trading. Eventually, this will not only cause you to lose not only many trades, but also the confidence you first had during the starting of your trading journey. And since you are losing the confidence, your confidence level will be somewhere here because you know something about trading, yet it's not a complete knowledge. And this will lead you to the next stage, the long plateau. Plateau, by definition, is a higher surface. So it's not completely the zero ground or the level or the basement. It's somewhere in between the zero and the space. It's like very lower space. Okay, so a higher ground. So you are grounded, but not by the zero, because you have still some confidence left from the initial approach, but that confidence level is very close to the zero. Okay, so this is where you start studying, you start doing forward test, back test, you study every model, every theory, every indicator. But unfortunately, this isn't going to help you because at this stage, you are actually is blind because of the lack of confidence that once you have. You no longer see the reason of the strategy that is working for you. You doubt every move, you doubt every chart, every setup or every edge that you have on the market looks dangerous. Every setup feels incomplete and you hesitate, you doubt. Okay, you over filter. The filtering that you are doing, you overdo that filtering part. It can stay for, it can last for years, and this is where most of the traders silently give up. They don't continue with the journey, they don't continue trying. However, the very selected few traders that continues on their journey, they eventually reach their aha moment, which is, aha, that's how it works. Okay, now I got it. So sometime something clicks for them and allow them slowly start going and growing the confidence they once had, until eventually they are at their confidence that they were at when they first began trading. However, they now not only have the confidence but a massive amount of knowledge about trading as a whole, from risk management to execution to the knowledge, the analysis, the understanding about the trading, the charts, everything. This is where pro traders are born. It is important to realize that this aha moment that you are chasing comes differently for everyone. But usually it doesn't come from trying harder. It comes from seeing your strategy or trading from different point of view, built on contracts, structures, self-awareness. Sometimes all it takes is the right person and asking the right question. If you are stuck in a plateau stage, he might be the help you need just to get rid of that stuck situation towards the right direction. So I hope you all the very best. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and don't forget, every month there is a giveaway only for the subscribers. So until next time, take a very good care of yourself, your health, and your loved ones.